Where the memory maker is 44.
And we are going on a hike. We are going up to find a plane crash. We're going on a bear hunt. I hope we're not going on a bear hunt. Are we going on a bear hunt, Henry? Do you want to go find a bear?
Yeah.
What are we going to go find? Mallory, what are we going to go find?
On an airplane with zombies.
An airplane. Oh my goodness, guys, it's so steep, isn't it? So steep. Hey guys, how's it going? Rough? Hey guys, we made it to the top, not to the plane crash. Yay, how was the hike, guys? Rough? Like straight uphill? It was a lot of uphill, like straight up the side of the mountain. But look at how pretty. Off to the plane crash. You're shaking? You're so hot? You feel like you're gonna fall? We just came down that hill and we have a ways to go. Now, this trail is not maintained by the park system, so it's a little rougher to get down. Well, I think it's gonna get worse up here, so take your time. We're almost there, guys. That doesn't look as sketchy in the picture as it really feels. Hey guys, smile. Henry, smile. We seem to be going downhill now. Yay. All right, guys, we're here. It's a rough hike. I think we came the wrong side, guys. What do you think, guys?
Where can we sit down?
You want to sit down? What? How cool is this? Yeah, people are vandalizing it. They're writing stuff on it when they shouldn't. Look at how cool. Yeah, they said somebody spray painted it. Be careful.
He just caught that out.
It's crazy to think that it's still here.
Look at all the debris.
After 1983.
Dad, I think I see where they saw it. See a map.
Let's go down a little bit further. speed and momentum.
He said they didn't know that the trees were here and it's cloudy.
Yeah. Isn't that crazy? If they were a little bit higher, they would have made it. How sad, guys.
Do you know their names?
Hey guys, what do y'all think? A good hiking adventure? Yeah, totally worth doing if you've never done it before. Yeah, pretty cool. Awesome. This is super sad. All right, guys, we got to hike down, and I need both my hands for the downhill.
Bye guys. See you guys later. Bye.
See you later.